So for today's Tuesday Tech Teacher Tip, I'm going to show you how to use Edpuzzle to have students watch videos, but they also require some accountability because the students have to answer questions as they watch the video or at the end. It depends on how you set it up. So one thing about Edpuzzle is you can upload your own content or use content from YouTube or other places. So as you can see, I've got several videos that I've gotten from YouTube, and then I've also got some of my own lessons from when we were virtual. One thing I did when I record my own lessons is I would add questions in as the students were watching it. So as they watch this video, they would have to answer, what is an ionic bond? How does the image relate? So they can't just watch the video and then have one question at the end that they can just write an answer for real quick. They actually have to watch the video, and then when it gets to a section, it'll ask them a question. They can't advance forward until they've actually answered the question, but it will let them go back and watch the section they just watched to help them look it up. So that's one way you can do it. I do use my YouTube channel to upload my own videos to, and then just use them from YouTube. That way I'm not uploading a lot of content to Edpuzzle, because you cannot upload a lot of content to Edpuzzle and use the free version. So make sure if you're going to upload your own lessons to put them on a YouTube channel and then copy that URL to Edpuzzle. So I'm going to show you how to put a YouTube video in Edpuzzle. So you head over to the video you want, and then all you're going to do from here is copy the URL. So let's copy that and then take it back to Edpuzzle. Then you're going to search it. Here's the video I want. Perfect. Dr. Vinox talking about genetics. And then as I watch it, the video will play. And then if I want to insert questions, I can do it as the video goes along. So I can do multiple choice questions. These are really great if you want to do it for a grade and you don't want to have to go back and grade everything. It'll automatically assign the students a grade at the end. But you can also do open-ended or short answer questions. There's a really easy way to grade these so that you're not having to grade each student's questions individually. So that's one thing that's great about grading these open-ended questions. And then there's also, you can just leave notes. Maybe you just want to add a little extra something to extend what the video says, and then you can also do that. So Edpuzzle just adds some accountability to videos that you want to show in the classroom. So I really like Edpuzzle because of that. So I'm going to show you one more thing. So here's a section where the students did the short answer. So as I'm scrolling down, let's just say a student got it wrong, then you could just click this X and you only have to mark the ones wrong. So let's just, this is an old assignment, so it's not going to matter. So let's say that one's wrong. It'll automatically remove it, and then I just keep going through and removing the ones that are wrong. And then when I finally get to the end, mark ungraded as correct. And I don't have to go through and select, yes, this is right, this is right, this is right. So eventually Edpuzzle will do that for me, and now you can see it's finished. So all of those short answers are graded. So that's a super simple way. You just go through, read them really quick, and only mark the ones that are wrong, and then Edpuzzle will mark all the correct ones for you. So Edpuzzle, again, is a great tool to use in the classroom for accountability with videos.